At 1 a.m. on the morning of January 8, 2022, a Jacksonville police officer out on patrol spotted a car committing a traffic violation at a red light. He signaled for them to pull over into the parking lot of a nearby tire shop and approached the vehicle containing 5 people. There was a heavy smell of marijuana in the car, in combination with the traffic violation, meaning that the driver could have been impaired. The officer then noticed that the man sitting in the front passenger seat, Teronnie Austen Wade, was wearing body armor, which was a major red flag. Wade refused to get out of the car. They attempted to handcuff Wade, but he swung at the officers and tried to flee. As he did, he opened fire on the police, who returned fire.
Your grandmother's?
Godmother.
Your godmother. Okay. I got you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Whatever you need, I'm cooperating. Whatever you need.
All right. You got a good driver's license on you?
Yes, sir, I do.
You do? Okay. All right. Where are y'all headed to?
I was going to Walmart, go see what
Yeah.
find out it was closed. That's why I busted U-turn,
I got you.
and then I was just heading on.
Did you realize that's why I pulled you over?
Yes, sir, I know.
Okay. I was just checking.
Just because the light was, I thought just because the light was red and then there was no one coming, I could actually make that U-turn.
Okay.
But that's the only reason I did bust the U-turn as far as with the light being red, because technically, I mean, it doesn't say don't bust a U-turn on red.
Okay.
It just says yield. So,
Okay. So when it's a red arrow, it basically means don't go,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir. You're right.
Okay.
Correct.
All right. You got your ID on you real quick? Any firearms in the vehicle,
No,
anything
sir.
like that? No.
May I turn off the car?
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
Well, I do know my ID by heart.
Where's your ID at?
I left it at home. I was going to Walmart. No,
You left it at home? Do you have a good license?
Yes, sir, I do. That's why
Okay.
I can give you everything, whatever you need.
Okay.
Your car.
Go ahead, step out the vehicle now.
Yes, sir, no problem. Whatever you need.
Turn around. Do you mind if I check you for
Please
weapons?
do.
The driver is cooperative, following each instruction he is given. So far, this is a routine stop that would normally result in a warning or a ticket.
Is that just a little bit of weed in your pocket?
No, sir, it's a bag of chips.
Bag of chips?
Bag of chips.
Okay. All right, it's just keys.
Yes, sir.
All right. No. Just slide back here with me. Let me get your ID real quick. All right.
Oh, well, I don't actually, but I know my ID number by heart, and it's me, Yolanda Slamar.
You do you have a driver's license?
Yes,
you
sir.
just gotta have a state ID card.
I have a driver's license with my name on it. Everything is just that it's at the house. I know
It's
it.
at the house. Okay.
I know my whole number by heart.
Okay. Cool. Quick question. Do you have a medical marijuana card?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Where's that at?
That's also at the house.
Okay.
And I do have the code and everything for that. That's why, if possible, as far as getting my phone, because I do have a marijuana
You have a
card.
picture of it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Does everyone in there have a medical marijuana card?
I'm not sure about them, but that's why I was driving.
Okay.
As far as just in case of having.
All right. You have your phone on you that you could show me the medical marijuana? Yeah. Go ahead and grab the phone. Let's look that up real quick.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna pull up the email if you don't mind.
Mm-hmm.
In front of you.
Okay. Go ahead. Put your stuff on the car.
Yeah.
You don't got your ID on you, so you're just gonna hang out in the back of my car, all right?
Whatever you need me to
Just
do.
put yourself in there,
Yes, sir.
on top of the car. Go ahead, slide in.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna go ahead and take him out. Quick question: do you have a medical marijuana card?
Sir, I don't answer any questions, sir.
Okay, step out of the vehicle for me.
I can show you my. I can show
Step out of the vehicle for me. Do not reach behind your back.
I'm not reaching behind my
Step
back,
out of the
sir.
vehicle.
You reaching for your weapon.
Because you reached behind your
I'm
back
trying to
when
show
I
you
told
what
you
I
to
have.
step out of the car. Step
sir.
out of the car. Do it now.
I got.
Step out of the car. Do it now.
I got my. Listen,
Step out of the car when I tell you to.
I'm finna, sir.
Hey,
You're
stop
gonna do it
reaching.
now.
You know who I am, sir. You know who I am.
Stop reaching.
Listen, sir. I'm a brother, sir. I can show you my identification, sir.
In Wade's pocket, a magazine for a gun is visibly sticking out.
I know you got one.
Hey, stop!
Where you got up? Hey!
Stop!
Sir,
Stop!
you put me in handcuffs now, sir. Put me in handcuffs, sir. Sir, you got me right here, sir.
Get on the ground. HQ. Shots fired. We're at Dunham Turner. We got one running eastbound. Keep it on him. Eastbound on Dunn Avenue. Send rescue 1067. Got one down. Do not move! Do you understand?
Passing Lim Turner or the Walmart. Keep your eyes on him. I'm coming right down the road. Those units, shots fired by the police or shots fired by the...
Shots fired by suspect and by police. Need several 35s. Yeah, just keep it on him. Do not move.
Air unit K9. I'm almost in ISO. And I'm 1051. Is he at Lim Turner and Dunn Avenue on that corner?
10-4. We have one suspect down, and we've got one that's ran off eastbound on Dunn Avenue. One detained in my car.
Do you have a description of any suspect that's still outstanding?
The only one who ran over here, we had our partner right there at the backside. He's still signals your head. Do not move. You will get shot if you move. Hey, that other one ran that way.
That way, yeah. He already ran from me once.
Rescue 1068 got one suspect shot.
Subject's coming from eastbound. Be careful. I'm not. He went that way, so not sure how many subjects have firearms.
many have run?
We've moved away from the vehicle, so we need to approach the vehicle.
Well, what do you need me to do? I'm right here.
All right. Let's approach.
Yeah.
Come over here with us and help us clear the vehicle.
You want me to get behind the vehicle, or you want me to go with you? Where you at station?
We're right here, right next to the building.
You didn't get hit or anything, did you?
No, I don't believe so.
Okay. Yeah,
Let me
good.
check.
I'm good too.
Just don't flag anymore.
Yeah.
Step out of the way. I don't know if they have fire.
You don't see anything over there, do you? Right now?
There was how many in the back?
There
Two?
was 3 in the back.
Are they still in there?
Alpha 260, you're right in our crossfire.
Is anyone in the car right now? Say something if you're in the vehicle. I think everyone left. Hey, do you think we want to get one on the back side of the building?
Okay. We're 3 in the back,
3 in the back.
2 in the front. Female, I believe, on the left. 2 males. 4 males total. All right. If you're in the vehicle, slowly open the door.
1068.
If you're in the vehicle, slowly open the door. You will get shot if we do not see your hands. Slowly open the door.
Wait, 366, did I stop?
There's one in my vehicle, in the back seat.
Are there any officers shot? 1054, I just got one suspect that fell out of the car. He signaled 0, but I got the 0. He's been shot by the police. No officers are hit.
Are you ready?
Yes, on the scene. Do we have a perimeter set for the suspect who ran?
Somebody still in the car?
I can't see if any.
1054.
Tell you what, let's do it like this.
They're about to clear the car that the suspect fell from.
We're going to go
Come from behind. Yeah.
Yes,
All right. So let's circle.
All right.
Circle.
63661 1097 on Dunn. Driving that way. Is there a description for the outstanding suspect?
It's going to be 1 Bravo Mike, unknown clothing, 1 Bravo Foxtrot, unknown clothing.
Left side, okay?
We're clearing the car now,
Hey,
1022.
the guy in the car handcuffed, correct?
Yes, the guy in my car is not handcuffed.
Not handcuffed.
No, but I've already checked him.
Rescue to proceed?
742 10-4.
I got
The only one on Limb Turner.
All right, if you're in the vehicle, open the door.
I'm in the middle of Limb Turner. I need Limb Turner blocked off.
Open the door.
Yeah, I mean.
Okay, if nobody,
Let's clear it then.
All right, I'll
Teronnie Austen Wade was initially hospitalized in critical condition, but was later jailed on 2 counts of attempted murder of law enforcement officer, possession of a weapon by a felon, and resisting arrest.